Hi Banjo Pals, we're going to take a look at a classic holiday tune. And this is a super fun one to play on the banjo because it really shows how versatile the G scale is in melodic style. So this is a melodic version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. And we've looked at the G scale from the most fundamental G scale melodic style, starting on the G, going up an octave. So if we can start that scale on a D note too and just walk up the G scale but starting on a D note. All the way up 2 octaves. That's kind of the range of where this tune happens. So I'll show you what I mean, but we're working out of the G scale and we get to go all the way up here as far as this high D. And that all happens on the A section. So let's take a look at that. So it starts off with, we all know the melody to this tune, so I know I don't need to show you the melody. We're going to start off with an open D. And then we're going to take this E note and slide it all the way up here to the A. So we're still like working out of this G scale. Slide your finger up. And then grab this B with your index finger. And then we're going to play a little A minor 7th to a D 7th to a G. And we can repeat it. Slide up to 10. Drop down and grab that B. And A minor 7 to D7. Little D7 chord to set up the top of the B section. And here we're going to work more out of chord shapes. So we're going to start off on a G to a D. And feel free to use those quick arpeggios on your right hand. And to get that G chord, you know, I'm kind of wanting to hear all 4 notes, so I'm using my thumb. And I'm doing like thumb, thumb, index, middle. So I'm brushing, my thumb's brushing 4 and 3. Do the same on the D chord. Reach up here and grab a piece of E minor chord. So that movement is E minor, D, A7, back to the D. And then we're going to do a couple little 2-note chords to walk back to the G, reach up to the 12th fret, and grab those melody notes in harmony at the 12th fret. And again, just touch them with the pad of your ring finger, but don't let your fingers stay on the string. Just touch it and move away. And then we're back to the A minor 7th, D7th, G, and there's a little bit of a hint of a D7th to do the repeat of the A. So let's take one more quick gander at that B section from G to D to E minor, and on these chords I'm just playing 3 notes. So I really want that melody to come across. I think that's why I'm doing 3 notes instead of 4. I just really want people to hear that. And then we've got these 2-note chords to get that melody, and then the harmonics for that melody. And then we repeat the A minor 7th D. And then we can go back to the A melody. There's much that's sweeter than that, or just more fun to play, because when you get your finger happening on the 2nd string, it's the most ergonomically satisfying thing. It just makes you want to play it fast. so perfectly on the banjo. So I hope you guys have fun playing with that one. That one's fun to play at Christmas, but it's fun to play year-round just because it feels so good on your left hand. So enjoy. We wish you a Merry Christmas.